So, is air travel still safe these days? Let's take a closer look, especially in light of recent events like the Ahmedabad plane crash in 2025. We'll break down aviation safety and explore how new solutions, including artificial intelligence, are shaping the industry. Is air travel safe? Well, yes, air travel actually remains statistically the safest mode of transportation. In 2024, the global accident rate was just 0.8 per million flights, and fatal accidents were extremely rare. Aircraft go through really rigorous maintenance, and pilots are trained to handle a wide range of emergencies. Still, when accidents do happen, they often lead to significant improvements in safety protocols. Ahmedabad plane crash. What exactly happened? On June 12, 2025, Air India Flight AI171, a Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner, crashed shortly after takeoff from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport in Ahmedabad while it was en route to London Gatwick. Here are some key details. The crash occurred at around 1:38 p.m. Indian Standard Time. The location was Megani Nagar, near BJ Medical College in Ahmedabad. There were 242 people on board, 230 passengers and 12 crew members. Tragically, over 200 fatalities have been confirmed, with only one known survivor. The aircraft itself was 12 years old, having entered service in 2014. As for the cause, it's still under investigation, but early signs suggest there may have been a flap or landing gear malfunction. So here's what happened. The aircraft issued a mayday call at around 625 feet altitude. It crashed into a densely populated area, hitting a doctor's hostel and causing a massive explosion. The plane was fully fueled for the long-haul flight, which, really intensified the fire. Over 60 medical students on the ground were injured. Emergency services responded swiftly, and a state of emergency was declared in Gujarat. This is actually the first fatal crash involving a Boeing 787 since its introduction in 2011, which, raises some pretty serious concerns about aircraft systems and maintenance protocols. So, could this have been avoided? Possibly. While the investigation is still ongoing, early indicators suggest a mechanical failure. If a known issue was overlooked or not reported, it could have been preventable. This really highlights the need for real-time monitoring and better reporting mechanisms. Should there be an official passenger reporting channel? Yes, and honestly, urgently so. Why, you ask? Well, passengers often notice unusual sounds, smells, or vibrations that may not be immediately visible to the crew. Right now, many folks report such issues on Twitter or X, which, let's face it, is not an official or timely channel. So here's a proposed solution: an in-flight digital reporting system, accessible via onboard Wi-Fi or the airline app. After the flight, all reports would be reviewed by ground engineers before the next journey. And for transparency, passengers would receive confirmation and follow-up. This would really create a proactive safety net and help reduce reliance on social media for critical safety concerns. The best area for AI development in aviation safety? Well, AI can truly revolutionize aviation safety by enabling predictive maintenance and anomaly detection. Some key AI applications include real-time aircraft health monitoring, where AI can analyze sensor data to detect early signs of mechanical issues. Then there's flight data analysis. AI can review black box and telemetry data to identify patterns that might lead to near misses or failures. When it comes to passenger feedback, natural language processing can analyze both structured and unstructured feedback for safety signals. Maintenance optimization is another big one. AI can predict component failures and recommend preemptive replacements. And finally, automated safety audits. AI can cross-check maintenance logs, flight reports, and sensor data for inconsistencies, making the whole process a lot more robust. Are such systems already in use? Well, yes, but not universally or comprehensively. GE Aviation and Rolls-Royce, for instance, use artificial intelligence for engine health monitoring. Airbus's Skywise and Boeing's Analytics platforms also leverage big data and AI for fleet management. However, passenger-driven reporting systems and AI-based pre-flight safety audits are still kind of underdeveloped. This actually presents a prime opportunity for top IT firms like Microsoft, Google, IBM, and TCS to collaborate with aviation regulators and manufacturers to build robust AI-powered safety ecosystems. Now let's look at the top 5 air crashes that changed aviation forever. The Tenerife airport disaster in 1977 resulted in 583 fatalities. This tragedy led to a major change in aviation. Standardized cockpit communication, also known as crew resource management or CRM. So, Air India Flight 182 in 1985. There were 329 fatalities. This tragedy led to enhanced baggage screening and, stricter anti-terrorism protocols. Pan Am Flight 103, which happened in 1988, resulted in 270 fatalities. After this, there was a major overhaul of international aviation security. Air France Flight 447, back in 2009, had 228 fatalities. The changes that followed focused on pilot training for automation failures and, stall recovery. Malaysia Airlines MH370 in 2014 had 239 presumed fatalities. This mysterious disappearance led to global mandates for aircraft tracking. No voiceover, 10 seconds of complete silence, allowing viewers to reflect on the tragedies discussed, honoring the lives lost and the impact on the world of aviation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for regular updates.